Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the RENEE Dream Kit Mini, a curated 5-piece makeup essentials combo that's perfect for travel gifting or just elevating your daily glam game. This set includes Stay With Me lip color in a 1ml mini intense hard black kajal at 0.35 grams Madness pH, stick in 1.3 grams Bollywood filter at 3 grams and Bloom perfume in an 8ml bottle, all vegan and packed with skin-loving ingredients. Let's dive in. First up, the packaging. It's luxurious and compact, making it a dreamy gift or travel buddy. Starting with the Stay With Me lip color, this 1ml mini is a matte liquid lipstick that's super pigmented. I swatched it and one stroke gave me rich color that dried fast and didn't budge. Perfect for all day wear. Next, the intense hard black kajal. This 0.35 gram pencil is creamy and jet black with a sharpener included. I lined my waterline and upper lid and it's smudge proof. My eyes looked bold and defined for hours. Then the Madness pH stick, a 1.3 gram lipstick that looks black but transforms into a unique pink based on your pH. How cool is that? I applied it and it's glossy hydrating and so fun to watch change. Plus it's got shea butter to keep my lips soft. The Bollywood filter is a 3-gram primer that blurs pores and smooths skin. I dotted it on my face and it gave a matte, flawless base that made my makeup pop. Non-sticky and lightweight too. Finally, the Bloom perfume. This 8ml bottle is a floral fantasy with tuberose, jasmine, and vanilla notes. I sprayed it on my wrists and it's long-lasting and premium. The perfect finishing touch. This kit is a steal for anyone wanting a curated vegan set. It's not luxury, but the quality is amazing for the price. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full look with this kit. If you're loving this hit, that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching.